breathe out. It's a natural thing that's always happening. Breathe in, breathe out. In peaceful rhythm now. Inhale, exhale. Let the oxygen come on in. Breathe in, breathe out. The step next to the rain, it's controlled by your brain. Breathe in, breathe out. In peaceful rhythm now.
Good night, my sweet scientist. Remember to keep asking lots and lots of questions. See you later, sweet scientist.
Hey, scientists! You can gather your friends and have a science play date too. It's fun to explore outside, make observations, and use a magnifying glass to make discoveries in your own backyard. Wow! Oh, hi, we're just checking out our website. You can explore with us.
Yeah! Great idea! Come join us. Visit pbskids.org. There's a lot of great information for grown-ups, too.
I can feel pretty good in the computer. Hey, scientists! A science center is a great place to investigate. You can explore new things and make lots of discoveries. Hey, you're a scientist. You can investigate and explore at a science center too.
Here's a tiny song just for you.
Rexville, Rexville, going to Rexville, la 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 la. Go Tiny, go Tiny.
Watch Dinosaur Train on PBS Kids and at pbskids.org.
Sid the Science Kid is made possible by...
At Boeing, we believe the best way to prepare children for success